Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Azure Security Technologies AZ-500. You can download the complete list of Azure-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on AZ-500 is: what is Azure Active Directory conditional access and how does it help in enforcing access policies based on user context? Your answer should be: Azure Active Directory conditional access is a policy-based access management feature that allows organizations to enforce access policies based on user identity, device compliance, location, and risk level. It helps in securing access to resources by dynamically adjusting access controls based on contextual factors. Our next interview question is: describe Azure Virtual Machine's VM disk encryption with Azure Disk Encryption and its role in protecting data at rest. Your answer should be: Azure Virtual Machine Disk Encryption with Azure Disk Encryption encrypts the OS and data disks of Azure VMs using industry standards encryption algorithms. It helps in protecting data at rest by encrypting disk contents, ensuring that data remains secure even if disks are stolen or compromised. Our next interview question is: how does Azure Security Center use threat intelligence to identify and mitigate security threats? Your answer should be: Azure Security Center leverages threat intelligence from Microsoft's Global Threat Intelligence Network to identify and mitigate security threats. It correlates security events and alerts with known threat indicators, signatures, and behavioral patterns to detect and respond to security incidents effectively. Our next interview question is: what is Azure Sentinel's data connectors feature and how does it help in collecting security data from various sources? Your answer should be: Azure Sentinel's data connectors features allow organizations to collect security data from various sources such as logs, events, and telemetry. It provides pre-built connectors and integration options for ingesting security data from Microsoft and third-party sources into Azure Sentinel for analysis and threat detection. Our next interview question is: explain Azure Security Center's regulatory compliance dashboards and its role in achieving compliance standards. Your answer should be: Azure Security Center's regulatory compliance dashboard provides insights and recommendations to help organizations achieve and maintain compliance with regulatory standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, and ISO 27001. It helps in assessing compliance status, identifying gaps, and implementing security controls to meet regulatory requirements. Our next interview question is: describe Azure Firewall's threat intelligence based filtering and its role in blocking malicious traffic. Your answer should be: Azure Firewall's threat intelligence-based filtering feature uses threat intelligence feeds from Microsoft and third-party sources to identify and block malicious traffic. It helps in protecting Azure resources from known threats, malware, and malicious IP addresses by applying threat intelligence-based filtering rules. Our next interview question is: how does Azure Security Center's just-in-time VM access feature help in reducing the attack surface? Your answer should be Azure Security Center's just-in-time VM access feature allows organizations to restrict access to Azure VMs to only when needed. It helps in reducing the attack surface by dynamically opening inbound network ports for specific periods and closing them when not in use, thus minimizing exposure to potential threats. If you are preparing for any Azure-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.